6 insane foods that the government says are healthy. In case you missed it, the nutrition-conscious folks over at the FDA have proven themselves to have a pretty whacked-out definition of the word healthy. This spring, the agency attacked Kind bars, a snack made mostly of good-for-you nuts, seeds, and dried fruit, for using the claim when it shouldn't have. Because believe it or not, any food that packs more than 5 grams of fat and 2 grams of saturated fat cannot, by law, call itself healthy. So according to the government, Kind bars are out. Almond butter and olive oil are out. Even avocados and salmon, which are widely considered to be 2 of the healthiest foods you can possibly eat, are out. Which is clearly pretty insane, and why Kind decided to fight back. Earlier this month, the company issued a petition calling for the FDA to pull its definition of healthy out of the 1980s and into the 21st century. And hopefully, it works. Because until then, we're stuck with some pretty weird healthy foods, like the 6 below. No, there isn't something wrong with your monitor. 1. Frosted breakfast pastries. Think a pastry made with refined flour, filled with neon-colored goo, and topped with icing and sprinkles is the stuff that healthy breakfasts are made of? So does the FDA. At just 190 empty calories, 5 grams of fat, 2 grams of saturated fat, and more than 4 teaspoons of sugar, these babies are clearly a health nut's dream. 2. Sugar-free fat-free chocolate pudding. Who cares if it's made of modified cornstarch, maltodextrin, and aspartame? This delectable dessert has absolutely 0 grams of fat and saturated fat, and only 13% of your daily sodium. Eat it for a treat, or heck, maybe you should have it instead of that fat-laden salmon for dinner. 3. Sugary breakfast cereals. You should probably start your day with a bowl of refined flour-based loops or flakes that pack 10 grams or more of sugar per serving. Because they're really low in fat and sodium, and are fortified with nutrients, like calcium, iron, and vitamin C, that you could never find in real food. Try one of these 10 organic cereals instead. 4. Frozen bagels. At 230 calories of purely empty carbs, this is about as wholesome as you can get. Just don't ruin the thing by slathering on any fatty peanut butter or almond butter so you actually stay full for more than 5 minutes. Because then it won't be healthy anymore. 5. Fat-free strawberry milk. Whole milk packs 8 grams of fat and 5 grams of saturated fat per 8 ounce glass, so it's clearly not healthy. But fat-free strawberry milk, which delivers 5 teaspoons of sugar per serving, totally is. FDA, you're blowing our minds. Here are 12 more health foods proven to be ridiculously unhealthy. 6. Chewy fruit snacks. Leathers, gummies, you name it. As long as they contain at least 10% of your daily vitamin C, these babies are healthy. The fact that they also contain nearly 2 teaspoons of sugar per serving along with a generous dose of artificial colors? Irrelevant. So you definitely shouldn't feel bad about picking these over actual fruit.